Hi there. In this video, we'll explore the Nooku Editor and walk through each part of the interface. Let's dive in. When you open a project in Nooku, you'll land directly in the editor. We've designed this editor with a clean, user-friendly layout to give you control and clarity. There are 6 main sections: the title bar, tabs bar, primary sidebar, canvas, element panel, and bottom panel. Let's go through each one in detail. Title bar. At the top of the editor, you'll see the title bar. On the left, you'll notice the classic window controls if you're on a Mac. In the center, you'll find the path of your currently open project. On the right, there are several important options. Let's walk through them. The first icon allows you to toggle between edit and preview modes on the canvas. In edit mode, you can select and modify elements. In preview mode, you can test how your components function and interact directly within the editor. The next option, a question mark icon, shows all the keyboard shortcuts available within the editor. Then we have various options to toggle different sections. Tabs bar, directly below the title bar, is the tabs bar, where you'll see the files you have open. You can easily switch between them by clicking on the tab or using shortcuts like Ctrl+Q and Ctrl+E. Primary sidebar. On the left side, we have the primary sidebar, which contains several important sections. 1. Elements. Here, you'll see the structure of your currently open component. By clicking the plus icon, you can add HTML elements or components to the working component. You can also search for specific elements and drag and drop them into the component tree. Frame data. This section displays all available data properties, state variables, and functions for the open component. 3. Pages, components, and layouts. This section allows you to view and manage all the pages, components, and layouts of your project. From here, you can create new pages or folders, and right-click to copy, duplicate, rename, or delete items. Middleware. Define custom middleware here to handle routing logic for your pages. Custom code. Use this section to add custom logic or code to integrate with your app. Assets. Upload files like images and videos to use within your application. 7. Server. Here, you can set up server APIs and middlewares. Data types. This section lets you create and manage custom data types for your application. Config. This shows the configuration of your project, typically based on Nuxt, where you can manage active modules, add environment variables, and set public-private keys. Modules. Install or manage active Nuxt modules. At the bottom of the primary sidebar, you'll find additional options. Issues. This panel lists any issues in your currently open file. Git integration. With built-in Git, you can manage changes, view commit history, and create branches. Explorer. Navigate through all files in your project here. Canvas. The center of the editor is the canvas, where you design and preview your application in real time. You can zoom in or out by holding Control while scrolling and drag across the canvas with the middle mouse button. On the top right, you'll see canvas settings for adjusting width, height, background, theme, and refreshing the canvas. Element panel. On the right side, we have the Elements panel. Here, when you select an element, you'll see 3 main tabs. Styling tab allows you to customize the element's appearance. Properties tab allow you to add attributes to the selected element. Events tab allow you to define events, like on click to the element. Bottom panel. Finally, the bottom panel has 3 tabs. 1. Use Code View to see the generated code for your currently open component in real time. Console tab shows all the console logs and errors of your application. Server logs displays all server-related logs. And that's an overview of the Nooku Editor. We'll cover each feature in more depth in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.